Number of quotes, got a good education, and Jeff had called me. I had an appointment set up with Paradise, and I'd already made a decision, so I was going to cancel the appointment actually, but he talked me into just giving Justin a little bit of time and just to hear what he had to say. I learned more about windows than I knew before. Justin was fabulous, came over. He didn't want to bore me with a lot of the details that I had gotten originally. And I decided to change my mind on who I was going to go with, decided to go with Paradise, and it's been a seamless endeavor from the very beginning. The best way to describe it, it was a well-oiled machine. I mean, they had guys that were taking windows out, prepping for the new windows, putting the new windows in, trimming them, sealing them, everything. Everything was covered. As much mess as they made, they cleaned up every single bit. My yard was spotless when they were done. Washed all the windows. Justin came by the next day just to do his own personal inspection. It really was a good experience from beginning to end.